So we've covered a lot of ground in this 5-part series of why traditional diets fail after 50, the hidden metabolism killers, natural solutions that work, and how to exercise with your changing hormones. I'm Anna, functional hormone educator, and today I'm putting it all together for your complete roadmap for sustainable weight loss after 50. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan that works with your body instead of against it. And if you haven't grabbed my free guide, just check the link below to learn nutrition tips to find balance in menopause. So this is the episode that changes everything for you. It's helping you get started and focusing on what the problem is and how to conquer the overwhelm that you're feeling. So when you learn a lot of information, you feel overwhelmed, you don't know where to start. But the best thing is just pick one thing and start with it, just one thing. So I know I don't like overwhelm. I put too many things on my to-do list and then I feel overwhelmed and then nothing really gets done. So if you really want to have a strong week, just try to focus on one thing at a time. Let's pick one thing from the nutrition guide that I have and just add, let's 25 to 30 grams of protein for breakfast. Replace one cardio session with 20 minutes of body weight exercise. That's it. Just master one thing before moving forward. In weeks 3 to 4, maybe add some circadian rhythm support. Start focusing on getting sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. Dim your lights about 2 hours before you go to bed. Continue with your strength training. You're continuing with your nutrition. And then you can start focusing on anti-inflammatory foods. Adding one fatty fish dish per week, adding more colorful vegetables with lunch and dinner, and then you keep building. So just one thing at a time. Fine-tune your approach, and then you can also add in adaptogenic herbs if appropriate. Some people find adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and reishi are really beneficial to help calm inflammation. It's important to look at this as a long-term plan, not a quick fix. Things don't change overnight. It's important that your body has time to adjust, to detox as you start to implement new things. So don't give up. Focus on just really nourishing your body both mentally, physically, taking in the right nutrients and getting rid of the toxic things. So progress over perfection. Aim for 80% consistency, not 100%. We're only human. 2 steps forward and 1 step back is still progress. So celebrate your wins along the way. Some days you'll need more rest. Some days you'll crave different foods. Your plan should be flexible. It should not be fighting against yourself all the time. Focus on how you feel, your energy levels, your sleep quality, your mood stability. And these often start to improve before the scale will change. So as we start to detox our bodies and support it, you start to feel better, you start to think better, you start to sleep better before you're going to notice a change on the scale. It's important to have somebody around who helps understand the journey you're going through and is supportive. Have a walking buddy, have somebody that you can talk to if you're feeling stressed. And I just want you to remember that this is a transitional phase in life, that there's a lot of wonderful things about going through midlife, and that you don't have to pack your appointment book full of things to feel that you're accomplishing things. I find for myself, I want to do, go, and my body starts to say, wait, it's time to slow down and really savor what's going on in your life. So being able to just loosely plan your meals, focusing on the key things like protein and eating your rainbow, focusing on daily movement, using the tips in the 5-video series to really dial down what is working for you. And this is just the beginning of your journey. I want to hear about your progress. Comment below and let me know which phase you're starting with and what you're most excited about going through midlife transition. If this has helped you, please share with another woman who might need to hear this message. Subscribe for more evidence-based content about thriving through menopause. And remember, your body is not broken. It's just changing. And now that you know how to change with it, you can really start to see that this is a great phase of life. It's a freeing time of life, and I'm doing more travel, and I want to make sure that my body stays healthy and resilient as I travel through different time zones and stay in different kinds of cultures and different types of climates. And just keeping yourself healthy allows you to open up and enjoy the second phase of your life. So I would love to hear from you. What are your goals through midlife? What are your challenges? And what else would you like to learn about? Because I'm always creating new content and new videos to help support women just like me thrive through midlife.